Hey there, it's been more than 6 months since 10 people were shot and killed here at this King Soopers in Boulder. One survivor tells me that a trial will help her heal, but if a court finds the accused shooter incompetent, it could cause some frustrating delays. As the King Soopers in Boulder renovates a building with a painful past, its community is rebuilding too.
It's been rough. When I first moved back here, I went to rehab for a month because I was just drinking a lot to try and forget about it.
Emily Giffen is doing better with family in Pennsylvania. She's working on herself as she waits for justice for her coworkers shot and killed in March.
It'll kind of like close that chapter and it'll give it an ending at least.
She's now wondering if a trial will be delayed. 2 court-ordered doctors concluded the accused shooter is not competent to proceed in this case right now.
I think competence is an insanity, and one doesn't suggest the other. So even if the court were to find this guy incompetent, all that would do is merely delay proceedings until he can be restored to competence.
9 News legal expert and former Arapahoe District Attorney George Brockler expects the judge will hold a hearing to determine if a second evaluation should take place. Prosecutors have requested another evaluation, and they're still waiting for a decision on that.
If the second evaluation isn't granted, the court is likely going to have a hearing on this particular report by these 2 doctors.
Brockler says the court will ultimately decide on his competency, and the judge doesn't have to accept the doctor's findings.
This opinion by these 2 doctors is a bit novel. They have indicated that he's able to appreciate the nature of the charges against him, and he's able to participate, but not as active as they think he should.
Construction on this building in Boulder is more than a remodel. Proceeding to trial will also help this community heal.
I wouldn't have to focus on this person. I could focus on just accepting that it happened, and now at least I know he's being held accountable and can move on.
Brockler says he faced the defense attorney here in the Boulder case during the trial of the Aurora Theater shooting. That same attorney successfully argued for the incompetence of his client in Colorado Springs for the Planned Parenthood shooting, which happened back in 2015. That man is still declared incompetent, so that case has not proceeded forward. Alex.
All right, important information there. Kelly, thank you so much.